Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 900 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, four-wheel disc brakes. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.